Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to learn how to tie a tie. We have our tie here. This is going to be the outside. This is the inside that we don't want people to see. First thing you do, put your collar up all the way. Now normally, you'd have this top button here buttoned. This shirt might be a little small around my neck, but we're going to make it work. Okay, grab your tie. Gonna put it around your neck like this. You're gonna have a short piece here, thin piece, then we have the thick piece on the other side. I'll go about right in here. You're gonna take the thicker piece over top like this, over top another time. Now you have it over once, over twice. Take the thick piece, go through the neck, and now the second hole, we're gonna pull it right down through, all the way tight. Now, we have our knot. You hold the thin piece and the knot. You're pulling down with this arm, up with this arm. Tighten it all the way up. Now, make sure it's straight onto your shirt. Put your collar back down. And that's all there is to it.
Today we're going to teach you how to do a bow tie. And a bow tie is similar to a regular tie, however there is a couple of differences. So the first thing you do is you cross over the bow tie like that and you pinch, and then you take it up and through the loop, and then you just kind of set that to the side, and then what you do is you take your thumb and this and you bring it through and you make a little bow like that. So once you have the bow, you bring this one up and over like that, and then you take this bow and you pinch it. So once you have it pinched, you're good, and then you pinch it, and then you take this one and you fold it like this, and then you put it through this little hole right through here. So you're going to take this part of the bow and you're going to put it through this hole. So once you take it through that hole, then you take that part and you pull it through a little bit, and then you let this bow come across. And then what I do, and some people do, is I just make sure that this part here is nice and smooth, and then I take the loop of the back one, put my index finger in there, and I put my index finger in the front one here, and then I just tighten it up from there. And then after you have that nice and tight, then it's just a matter of straightening up the bow, so you have the bow sitting like that.